making kosher dill pickles for the first time. And if you want to see what I'm doing, I'm going to show you a brief little switch around, okay? So here we go. Alright, I'm cutting the ends off my pickles, then I'm going to spear them. I am trying to boil my brine. It is taking a little bit longer than I thought it would to boil, but as soon as it's ready boiled, then we will, it says take it off the heat, so I'll just turn my gas off. I am preparing, sanitizing, sterilizing my jars, my lids, my rings. I've got my boiler ready to put these in and add more water to when I get ready to can them. And we'll cook them for 15 minutes. So here we go. I'm probably going to have to go to the garden and get more of these are my own fresh cucumbers, and I had a really good turnout in my little garden. I've got a big garden that's not come in quite like this yet. So I'll be making more of these, and probably I'll be making some, what do you call them? Some regular dill pickles maybe, and some bread and butter, maybe some more bread and butter pickles. I know I look a mess this morning. I promise I'll fix myself up and do something one time before long, but then I'm just working. Alright, see you later. Bye. Okay, so the next step is I have packed my pickles in there tightly, as it says. I pack them in tightly. Now I'm going to take my brine and I'm going to pour it over my pickles. Whoops, and I got a little bit too much because I was videoing. Oh well. It's not too much, I don't think. So that one needs to go down, and he's not in there far enough. I'm pushing him down. Almost got him far enough. Okay, so that's what my first jar looked like. Here's what my second jar looks like. And you're supposed to leave it like a ½ inch from the top, which I don't know, that one might be too low. This one might be about right. Okay, so now you put your lids, and what I do, I have this handy dandy little, use your tongs, get your thing out. Oh, you got to clean your top first. Make sure there is nothing. I have a clean towel. Make sure there's nothing around on the top of your thing. My kitchen's a mess. Don't look at that, please. I've been doing a lot of things and in the garden a lot, so my kitchen isn't like I usually have it. Oh well. It'll get back that way. No worries. And then I have, see, I pulled my ring out of the water and put it on here. And they're hot, very hot, boiling hot. And you tighten it just hand tight, not over tight. Because if you do, I think your jars can break and stuff like that. So, in the pressurizing thing. Alright, I'm going to go to the pressure cooker, which I think I'm just going to use this one this time, and put them back in there and boil them for 15 minutes, I think it is. And going to make the pickles. We're done with this batch. Two jars. I just wanted to test, you know. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, and now my kosher dill pickles are boiling away in my double boiler, and this is kind of my pressure cooker. I put a lid on it, and it's about the same thing. It's a bath, basically, a hot bath. And I have 29 more seconds, 27. They'll be done, and it says to take them out immediately when they reach that. And here I'll show you what they look like. Except I fogged up my camera. They're looking good. Alright, I'm getting ready to take them out. So, bye-bye. And voila, the finished product. We have pickles, boys and girls. I am so excited. I can't wait to taste them. I sipped the brine to see what it tasted like, because I used to package. I didn't use my own recipe. It tasted just like kosher dill pickles, so I am pretty sure that they are going to taste wonderful. See you next time on Deborah's Garden. Bye. And using my wonderful knife that my honey got me, I am quartering these cucumbers. It is so great. It just cuts right through like cutting butter. It's awesome. It is so good. I can't hold the cucumber and cut it, but basically that's the idea.